In this video, I want to show you what I believe the 5 levels of the Wonderwall strumming pattern are, and I want to teach you how to do this if you have really struggled with this. So this isn't a full Wonderwall tutorial. I've done that already. It's already on my channel. And if we can get you to nail the first strumming pattern of the first 2 bars, then I think the rest of the song is pretty simple. Most people just struggle with this first rhythm. So we got 5 levels to this, and I'm going to try and teach you this in 5 minutes, and I'm going to have a counter on screen for that 5 minutes. Now, if I go very slightly over, I'm okay with that. I don't mind that. What I don't want to do is waffle on for ages, just going down, down, up, up, down. It's really, I can understand how that would be literally awful to watch. So this is just to keep myself to a reasonable amount of time. But also, I think this is the song that is a real test of everyone's strumming pattern. It's a little bit of a rite of passage. You can like Wonderwall, you can not like Wonderwall. I don't care whether you ever listen to it or not, but can you do this strumming pattern? Because it's like that core intermediate level strumming pattern if you can really nail it. And what I mean by really nail it is just play it something like this. I mean, how much do I nail it? You let me know in the comments below. I don't know, but here's my interpretation of it. What do we think? Am I pretty close? I think I'm pretty close. One thing I do want to mention is I reckon it's this kind of A7 chord like this, A7 sus4, but with an open 3rd string. After really slowing down the recording, and I've heard other people kind of mention that it might be that, I think it is too. I agree. That string, for whatever reason, isn't super loud on the original recording, and I actually find it hilarious. Did any of you guys see the Rockfield documentary, where literally the original recording of Wonderwall that made it to the album, he recorded while sat on a wall outside this residential studio? I just find that hilarious personally, and I only learned that recently. But here we go. I'm going to set the timer, 5 minutes, starting 3, 2, 1. Boom, there we go. First thing is 16th strumming. Can you play 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, even without chords? The way I'm playing it there has an accent on the beat. Da, 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 da. And that is the first level to being able to do this, being able to do it without a chord and with 1 chord, and then with changing chords every 2 beats, and making that sound natural and getting used to that. Okay, haven't got too long, so that's level 1. Level 2 is this down, 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 up of the first 2 beats of that first E minor chord, and we want to do that with a pause. So down, 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 up. Let it hang. Can we get that sounding good? I'll link below to the Ultimate Guitar where this is kind of written out, because so many of you guys use Ultimate Guitar all the time. But I'll link to a Songster interactive tab as well down below, where it really shows, and if I just follow this to the letter, all the strings, thicker couple of strings, all the strings, and then on the up strums, it's just hitting the thinner 3 or sometimes 4 strings. And we get this kind of thing happening on that last 2 strums. Down, up. This should happen for every strumming pattern that you do. Thicker strings on the down strum, thinner strings only on the up strum, so that you're just hitting string 1. You're supposed to hit a few. You see that really clearly? So everything, just a couple of strings, everything, couple of strings, and then the thinner ones. The next step is to get the next couple of beats, which is down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, down. And because we've gone down, up, down, up, down, that means we're on this 16th grid. We need to be comfortable doing this. And we keep that really small, and we have a slight move of the wrist. Make sure you do your strumming like you're doing a maybe sign. Like you go, maybe. That's how we can do it really quick, because you can do that really quick. We can do this really quick too, but it's a slight twist of the wrist, really. And it's down, up, down, up, down, down. And we just let that ring. Do it on every chord. Down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, down. And when you're ready, do that as the strumming pattern is in the song. So for example, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. You just repeat the down, up, down, up, down, down. But do the first part as we should. And that feel of getting just. And if you're not there with that yet, you just stay on one chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, time's getting away from us, so I'm going to have to go to the next bit, which is where we just play on the ups. It's really syncopated. It means more offbeat. Up, 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 down, up, down. Up, 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 down, up, down. Up, 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 down, up, down. That's what we do, and that goes on that last A7 sus4 chord. Up, 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 down, up, down. Up, 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 down, up, down. Up, 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 down, up, down. And then finally, you just kind of stick it all together. But I would actually be fine with a pause, because of the change of chord. There's a few different ways to attack this, and you experiment with it yourself. Obviously, just going for the full thing, slow and with intention. But breaking it down to down, 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 up. Down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, down, down. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. And reading the tab and really getting that should help you. All the time remembering that it's not just the downs and ups that are important, but which strings you're hitting. Which even I messed up on a little bit there. Look, and then the thing to remember as well is, as soon as it's played for the next couple of bars, it is varied so slightly. It is a little bit more. The second bar is second couple of bars. There's a few more strums in there, and that's okay. That's what the pros do. It can be unhelpful to know that too early sometimes, because you're trying to go for a specific pattern and you don't want to vary it so much that it's unrecognizable. But it's really important to know we can vary it. And these principles of that 16th strumming and the motions of sometimes being here but sometimes just being on a couple of strings really help, because a lot of people, that's not what they're thinking about at all. Let me know if that helps you at all in the comments below, and let me know what little part of a song you would like me to, do one of these videos on, just 5 minutes or thereabouts, for just a little part of a song that you really want to be able to nail. And I really look forward to hearing what that is. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.